Still a seller's market in Annapolis as prices continue to rise and inventory remains constrained. It's Friday, June 7th, 2024. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the Annapolis Real Estate Report. Housing demand in the area is still high, and even new construction in the area is being purchased quickly. New construction townhouses are starting at $900,000, and single-family detached homes are over $1 million. Developers building the new rental housing complexes are pleased because there are waiting lists for occupancy, and the units are going for way more than a house payment. Let's face it, housing is going to be the largest expense in your budget, so you better love where you live. Annapolis has 124 resale homes for sale, with another 24 coming soon. 29 hit the market over the past week. 29 homes went under contract in 8 median days since last report. 61 homes sold in 5 days at 100% list to sold ratio. There are currently 29 rentals available at $3,000 median dollars per month. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, June 7th, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. I'll see you next week. Take care.